Hi, this is Lynette from Elevate Your Health Vibe, and now we're going to be talking about preparing for your quantum healing hypnosis session. So there are two different scenarios that we are going to encounter. So one is where you're coming to me directly and having your session here in my office, in my client space. And then the other option is to have the session over Zoom. Both options are fine. They both work equally well. If you are coming in person, there are a couple things to note that are different than if you were to have a session over Zoom. So if you're having a session in person, you want to make sure to eat a good meal before you come so that you have a full stomach. And also bring a snack or two so that if you get hungry while you're here, that you have something to snack on. And then also bring some food for after your session because it helps you ground and bring you kind of back to here. Sometimes when you come out of a trance, your head's kind of still in the clouds, if you will. So the food helps to ground you. You also want to bring your list of questions that you have for your higher self. So that's a list of between 10 and 15 questions. It can be anything that you want to know about your current life today. It can be questions that you have about a past life. It can be questions about if you've had if there's anybody in this lifetime that you knew in a past lifetime. It can be that you want to ask questions of, like, let's say you want a surrogate healing, you'll want to write that down. If you want to if you have questions for somebody that's crossed over, you'll want to note those down as well. And of course, this applies for even a virtual session. You want to make sure that you have your list of questions ready and send them to me ahead of time so that I have them if you're doing a virtual session. And then for people that are doing a virtual session, you'll want to make sure that you have a headset that has a good microphone. So a lot of times the headsets that you wear, like that are over your ears, that have the thing that come over your head, and they have a microphone that comes, over here. Those are the best types of headphones to use. And you can usually get those, like if you have a kid that is doing like online gaming, they usually have those types of headsets. You can get them at Walmart, you can get them at Target, you can get them online on Amazon. I know I got a pair from Amazon that's actually a really good set, but they were like $60 for a good set of headphones. I tried multiple ones, and the ones that seemed to work the best were the $60 version. I have seen videos of people using the earbuds that are just like in your ear, and it's got the little microphone that's down here. I've seen those as well, but those are not necessarily preferable because you want that microphone to be like right here on your mouth, because a lot of times when you're in that trance state, your voice tends to sometimes drop into a lower volume, and so I want to make sure that I can hear you. So that is how you prepare for your hypnosis session. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, elevateyourhealthvibe@gmail.com. And with that, have a good day. Thank you. Bye.